Hello everyone, good morning to each and every one of you depending on the time you'll be coming across this video. So here is the standing unit air conditioner that was having leakage on the evaporator coil. So which on my previous video I was able to show you how I was able to find leakage on the evaporator coil, and I also press the leakage. So if you have not watched the video, you can go on my page and watch the video so you can follow up. So this is when I'm done servicing the evaporator coil, and I've also serviced all the unit and make sure everything is perfectly clean. So I did not do a video when I was fixing the evaporator coil, but I didn't want the video to be too long, so I have to fix in the evaporator coil first of all before I'll start doing the coupling. So I have to remove the evaporator fan. I have to remove the fan and make sure I service it. As you can see, the filter, everything is very clean. So here I want to start coupling, doing the coupling and make sure I fix everything the way it's supposed to, so that when the unit is working, everything will be perfectly okay. So there will not be any complaints. So I have to take my time and make sure I fixing everything on this unit. So I'm still doing the coupling. So watch the video to the end and don't forget to share your own opinion under the comment section. Thank you. So guys, at this point I'm done coupling the unit. So I'll be taking it and install it. And remember, there is no gas on this unit due to the leakage that it was having. So there is no gas on the unit, so I have to start charging the system with gas after installation. So I didn't want this video to be too long, so on my next video I'll be